Before you buy a home in Kyle, Texas, I highly recommend watching this video. So I had the opportunity to join RiseWell Homes on their bus tour and view 4 different communities in one day. And trust me, they are not all the same. From homes starting in the low 300s all the way up to the 700s, I get to show you what you can get in a smaller community versus a master plan community. So if you're thinking about moving to Kyle, Texas, make sure you stay tuned to the very end and see which neighborhood best fits you. All right, y'all, first up is Anthem Cottages, brought to you by Clark Wilson. So this is actually a gated community located inside the master plan community of Anthem. There are about 125 homes here, so it is smaller, but it does give you the chance to connect with your neighbors. So Clark Wilson does offer 8 different floor plans to choose from, and you also have the option to customize your design. Pricing starts in the low 300s, making it a really good option for first-time home buyers. Now let's go ahead and dive into some of the pros of living here. 1, you are located within a gated community. 2, you have the low price point with the option to customize your design. And 3, these homes are designed to have a low maintenance lifestyle. All right, now what about the cons of living here? 1, I will say that this is a car-dependent location. 2, lot sizes are much smaller. And 3, there are no on-site amenities. All right, y'all, next up is Parkton Square. This is a community brought to you by RiseWell Homes. You'll find 2 different collections here. They have the Legacy Collection and the Residences. The Legacy Collection starts in the mid 300s and they have 7 different floor plans. And then the Residences, they start in the low 300s with 5 floor plans to choose from, all with alley garages. So what makes this community a little bit different compared to the previous one, although they are both affordable, Parkton Square is very much a walkable neighborhood. You're literally right next door to downtown Kyle and the brick and mortar district. So think dining, local events, coffee shops, and a bunch of community activities. Now, Parkton Square is a brand new community that just started selling this month of April. So if you are someone who is looking to get inside a good deal, I would highly recommend checking out this neighborhood, mainly because a lot of builders offer a grand opening builder incentive where you can either get assistance with your closing costs or buying down your interest rate. All right, y'all, next up we have 6 Creeks, which is a master plan community located here in Kyle, Texas. A little bit about 6 Creeks. They are actually at their final closeout stage, so they don't have much inventory available. However, if you are someone who enjoys the luxury amenity, the mix of different builders, 6 Creeks is where it is at. I actually did a few videos with RiseWell Homes and short form content, which I'll insert here. Now, because they are at their final closeout stage, I won't say much about 6 Creeks, but if you are interested in learning more, feel free to DM me or leave a comment below. Last but not the least, we have Freedom at Anthem. Now, honestly, this is my first time here visiting this community, and I will say it is at the top of my list. Since we were on a bus tour with RiseWell Homes, we mainly got to see some of their products, but when I tell y'all, they did not disappoint. So one thing that's special about Freedom at Anthem is that there is a home for everybody here. You have homes starting in the mid 200s, all the way up to the luxury division starting in the 600s. Now, this model home that we are walking, this is part of the RiseWell Homes Estates collection starting in the 500s. They have premium oversized lots, and they are also going to be building on their 70-foot lots. Now, the square footage of these homes range from the 2,600 all the way up to 3,300 square feet. Now, that is a big house. Currently, right now, the Estates collection offers 4 different floor plans. So if you're someone who is interested in learning more about RiseWell Homes here at Freedom at Anthem, be sure to leave a comment below and let's connect. That wraps up today's video, and if you are someone who is considering living in Kyle, Texas, based from the 4 communities that we have toured, which one stands out the most to you?